Nagkagulo mga kaibigan. Dumating na po ang aming pinakahihintay.
Yes. It's in my blood. It's in the family. We have a heart to give. And with that, we have malaki ang loob namin sa mga kababayan to give back. And I was called here sa Gensan to serve.
Yeah, very good.
How does it feel at a very young age, may plano talaga to serve the people who in Gensan?
It's exciting in the long run. I've been giving din already, and this is my opportunity that very blessed ako na my opportunity now to give and to serve the people, especially here sa Gensan, even a wider scale.
Considering na napakabata mo, tingin mo kaya yung mga pressure dito?
Kaya.
Oo naman, kaya naman. I know I'm still young, but I am willing to work hard naman and to learn, to improve as well. So that's training, if ever, and consult expertise